Alright, hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Dylan. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Hi, Mandy. It's nice to meet you. I haven't spoken to you before. But this video is, it's the middle of the night. It's actually, I don't know if you can see that. It's 3 a.m. And I just heard, I've been hearing about this for a while, but there's another rideshare driver out there. Her name is Mandy. She also has a YouTube channel, and she, I don't know the entire story. Some of you guys know I'm pretty busy with school right now. Finals are coming up, but so I don't know the complete story, but I do know that she is struggling with cancer, and I'm pretty sure she just got taken off of chemo. I could be wrong, but basically I wanted to donate to Mandy. So what I'm going to do is all of the proceeds this week, maybe the next couple of weeks, well, let's start out with this week. All the proceeds this week from any of my merch sales will go directly to Mandy, and I'm gonna match that. So yeah, all of the sales, and then I'm gonna donate as much as I can on my own. I don't have a ton of money, but I do want to use this platform to spread that, because I think I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You can use, I put a bunch of items on sale, and then I also created a discount code. It's called Driver Lady Pro. I'll put that in the description. Like I said, anything you buy, any of the merch items, this is one of them, the Rideshare Hub. As you guys know, I launched the merch store a few days ago, but yeah, I thought this was a good opportunity to run this as a kind of like a charity thing for Mandy, because she deserves it more than any of us right now. So for her and her family. So yeah, let's get something for yourself, get something for your family. There's hoodies, there's t-shirts, send something to Mandy. Get a gift for somebody. There are tank tops on there too, because I know summer is coming up. But if you were thinking about buying some clothes, just buy some clothes now, and know that the proceeds will be going to Mandy. So it is going to a good cause. I have never done this, so this is the first time, but yeah, I wanted to make this video super quick. I do have to get back to studying, so I can't, sorry, I look super tired. It's literally the middle of the night. So yeah, I have a final tomorrow. So Mandy, thank you so much for all that you've done. I know she's been working really hard to bring the community of Uber and Lyft drivers together, and now she is, she's in need. So Mandy, thank you for everything that you do, and just keep fighting strong. I can't imagine what you're going through, but just keep your head up and know that we're here for you. I'm gonna reach out to you personally, probably tomorrow, when I have a little bit more time. But I just wanted to get this video out to for Mandy, and then for everybody else watching. So again, all the proceeds, and then I'm gonna match as much as I can of it. So if you buy a shirt for 20 bucks or whatever, I'm gonna match that $20 as well, dollar for dollar, as much as I can. So yeah, and the code, the link will be in the description, but it's called, if you can't find it, it's called merchclub.co/ridesharehub. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and yeah, hopefully this is hopefully this helps a little bit. I know that, yeah, I can't, you know, I don't know what I'm saying, but I just, you know, it is hard. So let's come together. You know, this is a community. This is the Rideshare Hub, and this is what we're here for. This for us to stick together. You know, we're all here for each other. So I think this is a great time. And also, if you know, if there's any of you watching who is also going through something similar, don't hesitate to reach out. You know, I don't need to make a video about it or anything if you don't want me to, but you know, we're here for each other. I know everyone has problems. I have problems. You watching this, you know, in some sort of way, there might be a struggle that you're going through or that you've been through recently, which, you know, whenever you're driving for Uber and Lyft, you never know what your passenger's going through. Never, ever, ever. Your passenger could get in and they could have experienced a death in the family, or just got broken up with they could be going through a divorce. Literally, the possibilities are endless. So if you're going through something, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I always leave my email in the description, and you know, or you can just comment below or whatever if you want to send it privately. But yeah, guys, thank you again. And Mandy, keep it up. Keep your head up. Go head over to her channel. Her channel is called Driver Lady Pro, I believe, or Uber Lyft. No, I think it's Driver Lady. Yeah, Driver Lady Pro. But yeah, Driver Lady Pro. And then yeah, the code. Sorry, it's tired. I'm like losing my train of thought. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like this video so hopefully more people can see it. Leave a comment so the engagement goes up. Again, so more people can see this video for Mandy. And subscribe so you never miss another video on Uber and Lyft. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are great. And remember that you are doing a great job out there. So, all right, I will talk to you all soon. All right, bye guys.